Welcome to our new video. Now, whenever we create a chart, we can format it according to our choice. So this video describes that how we can format a created chart with the help of the chart tools. So watch the video till the end, and if you like the video, then hit the like button and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon for regular updates. So far, we know that how to create a chart, and whenever a chart is created, we can definitely change the design and style of the chart, and that is basically done with the help of the chart tool. So whenever a chart is created and when you clicked any part of the chart, that chart tools here that becomes visible. It becomes visible when you clicked any part of the chart. Now this chart tool have these two extra tab, design and format. So let's start with the design tab. Now inside the design tab, as you can see that the chart styles are available. So inside the chart styles group, which contains a number of different styles are available. These are the different styles available. You can change them. As you can see that the styles are getting changed. So click on any desired style. So for example, suppose I want to click on this style. So click on the desired style from this given list. Now the chart will get changed according to the design style. We have another option, this one, chart layout group. So inside the chart layout, this determines the position and the style of various components in the chart. So once click out on the quick layout, so you can see that the elements, it shows the elements that are available in the chart. So if I click on this one, it's showing the layout 3. You can see that it contains chart title, legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and major grid lines. This one, it only contains chart title, legend, data labels, and horizontal axis. No vertical axis will be there. If I select this one, the fourth layout, it contains the elements of legend, data labels, horizontal axis, and vertical axis. So select any desired layout from this one. You can select it. Suppose I am selecting this one. So select any desired layout, and you can see that the change has been occurred in the chart. So these two we can done using the design tab. The first one we have done using the chart style group available in the design tab, and the second one we have done using the chart layouts group. Now third one we have the data group. Now this group one can easily, with the help of this one, can easily change the data in the spreadsheet including the chart. So if we want to switch the row and column, you see that the switch row and column option, it changes the row of the data into column and vice versa. So obviously the row will change to the column and the column similarly change to row. So if I further click on this, now you can see that the options are getting changed. See, the names are here, and if I again clicked on it, you can see the subjects are here. Now we have another option which named select data. This option opens the select data source dialog box, and using it we can change the data range according to our choice. So if I click on this, it shows this one, the data range is already selected. Suppose I want to change that data range. So here I am selecting the new data range, this one, and clicking the OK button. So you can see that only the the name of the four students are available here. I'm excluding the last one. So using this one, the select data option, you can select the data source, and definitely you can change the data source according to the data source dialog box that appears on the screen. Next one, we have the type group. So inside the type group there is an option available, change chart type. So this, using these options, there are different types of charts are available in MS Excel, as you know that. So if you click on this option, change chart type, a dialog box will appear, change chart type. Now again, in the left side you can see a lot of charts are available. So you can definitely change the chart type from that given option. And suppose I want this one is column chart I have created here. Suppose I wanted to change it to the pie chart. So I'm selecting the pie chart and the output will look like this. And bar chart, the output will look like this. So using this change chart type, we can change the chart, and click on the OK button, the chart will get changed. Now just you have to click on the desired chart type that you want to change it. When you click on this category, definitely many chart types are available. You have to select any one that is displayed in the left pane. For example, I have clicked on the pie chart here. So select that one and click on the OK button to change the chart. So one more option inside the design tab, and under the chart layout group we have an option, add chart element. This element we can add, these are the varieties of element: axis, chart title, data label, table, error bar, grid lines. We can add this element inside our created charts also. So suppose I wanted to add a grid line, and I wanted to add this one, horizontal grid line. So this one grid line has been added, and again I wanted to add a vertical grid line. So I'm clicking on the grid line and I'm adding. So you can see that the horizontal and the vertical, both grid line are added in this chart. So if I want to add another element, suppose the chart title I wanted to add it. So I'm saying it's above chart. Here the chart title is getting added, and definitely we can write here the title of the chart. Suppose the title of the chart is mark sheet. So this one, click on any, this one, click anywhere. Now you can see that the title I have already added. So using this option, add chart element, we can definitely add the various element inside our charts also. Whenever you clicked on the chart, as we know that the chart tools becomes visible, and inside the chart tool so far we have learned the design tab, the various options are available in the design tab. Now we can go for the format tab. Now the formatting that improves the presentation and the appearance of the chart. This improves the presentation and the appearance of the chart. So definitely you can format different components of the chart using the tools and the options available inside in this format tab under the chart tools. So you can insert shape, you can change the shape tile, and definitely you can insert various word art. You can change the height of this chart, you can change the width of this chart. So there are lots of formatting features that are available here inside in the format tab. Now Alternatively, if you double click on a component such as the chart area, plot area, legend, anywhere. So suppose I am double clicking on the data series. So if I double click on that, you can see that there is a option that has been appeared or visible in the right side. So whenever you double clicked on any component, chart area or plot area or anywhere, definitely it open a respective format window, and from here you can also change the options, and definitely you can see the effects in the chart with the help of the tools available here.